Namaskar, Dr. Sajjad Ali, and I really appreciate your interest to joining our project and in giving us such important information.
Today our topic, ma'am, is Swasthya in Ramayana regimes. Swasthya etymology or meanings is the name of Swat is derived on Sanskrit name of the place Swasthya or Srivastav clan, who's today living on modern India, but her roots is Swat. Ramaya status. Second is our topic is Ramaya status in Kandahara civilization. Ramaya status is a newly excavated the Rama statues on Swat and Afghanistan can show the Rama followers and Rama regimes in Kandahara regions. The third is Ram Takht. Ram Takht is a place on Swat which is situated on Ilam Mountains, peak locally known as Jogyanusar or Orthodox yogis are yogis which were praying today. The famous Ram Takht where Ramchandra ji spent a lot of time in their Ranjrosar, the peak of point of Aristotle, are recommended the on succession to Alexander for Ram Takht, who were giving his praying for his own succession. And the last one is Ram Temple or Ram Mandir. Ram Mandir is a temple situated between the ancient village of Rampura and Sitanagar. The Ghaznavi invasions of that time Hindu Shahi's king, the last king of Rajagira, the Ghaznavi demolished the Ram Mandir and the structure are place which today our mosque which known Shiv Lingam are properly situated here, which shown their old legacy of Ramayana regimes and so on. The last one topic, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Please telling us. But it will be
Can you show my notes, ma'am? Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, you said.
Can you show my notes, ma'am?
I don't say get your mail, but I just try to because I thought you will be giving the presentation. So you sent me yesterday.
Richest places in ancient India because the Charbagh, a place which Allah's kingdom have situated her, ma'am, which today the Rampura Hindu center of religions, the Ram Mandir and Ram and Sita Nagar are situated here and today, but we are demolished the greatest mandir of Rampura, which you can.
Okay, do it. Go through. This is the Rama.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I ready to.
You can see in the screen that it is the newly excavated Rama statue. We can see now.
The first one.
Yeah, the first one.
Yes, ma'am. You can show to the audience who
audience can see.
Seen the Rama.
Yeah, audience can see. Yes.
Followers and who seen this, ma'am?
Yeah. You just telling us. I will show. I am showing them. They can see. Just telling us.
My notes.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. You can just continue your speech. I am showing them. They can see. आप आपका पिक्चर दीजिए, ये लोग देख सकते हैं. I am showing them.
हिंदी में बोल लूं मैम, क्लियर होगा.
हाँ, या राम रॉक का बारे में बोलिए. अभी मैं राम रॉक का पिक्चर दिखा रही हूँ. प्लीज टेल.
Hello,
Please
ma'am.
tell them about the Rama Rock. I am showing that thing. Dr. Sajjad ji, please continue Rama Rock. हेलो, आप थोड़ा बोलिए तो तब लोगों को पता चलेगा. मैं नोट दिखा रही हूँ, आप बोलिए. I think your line is disturbing. I'm very sorry for this unwanted situation. This presentation is very important. Here you can see the Swathnama. It is known as the Rama Takht. Dr. Sajjad ji, can you hear me?
Anita ji, looks like we have lost him.
Okay, I'm very sorry for this situation. Here it's his presentation, and this is known as the Rama Takht, that Elum mountain peak, locally known as the Jogi. That what he said.
He is back, but it looks like there is an internet issue at the other side.
Okay, that's why he.
Mr. Reddy, are you there, please?
Dr. Sajjad ji, can you hear us? Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, I am showing आपका presentation मैं दिखा रही हूँ.
मैम आपके साथ कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा, सिग्नल का मसला है.
Okay, because
आवाज आ रही है. सज्जद जी आप बोलिए.
आ रही है, आपका आवाज आ रही है, आप जस्ट बोलते जाइए. आपका वीडियो मैं आपका वीडियो जरूरत नहीं है, मैं बोलते जा रही हूँ, दिखाने जा रही हूँ, आप जस्ट बोलिए हम लोग. Okay, so I think there is some problem. I'm very sorry. I just show his note to all of you, and then we will go to our last participants. And again, if he can join with us, we will listen from him. This is the Ram Mandir story and the Ram Mandir temple situated between the ancient village of Rampura and Sitanagar. And this is the Rajagriha, and we all know that Rajagriha here also we know the Rajgir. So this is the Rajagriha of the Pakistan and the border of the Gandhar and Afghanistan. And this is the Shiva Lingam after they demolished that thing, and this is the Shiva Lingam was there. And these three things he want to say, this is the Ram Takht, and this is the very interesting the Ram Murti.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, can you hear us?